Warren Buffett just bought a $4.3 billion stake in a mega-cap tech company, his biggest new position since 2022, and it has already become one of Berkshire's top 10 holdings. It is the exact company Buffett openly said he missed the chance to invest in back in 2017. Yet now, after the stock has climbed by more than fivefold and is trading near all-time highs, he's finally buying in. The stock is Alphabet, the parent company of Google, and that timing alone splits opinions. Some see it as a signal to follow, while others think he may be late to the move. At first glance, Alphabet isn't the kind of business Buffett usually touches. For decades, he avoided most technology stocks, saying that they sat outside his circle of competence. He preferred companies he understood deeply, like insurance, banks, and classic consumer brands. Even Apple, which became his largest holding, he treated as a consumer goods company, not a tech bet. And his biggest wins typically came from buying undervalued companies or stepping in during moments of market panic, like when he bought Coca-Cola during the market downturn in the 1990s. And troubled Goldman Sachs stock during the 2008 financial crisis. Those kinds of moves helped him generate billions and turned Berkshire into one of the most successful investment firms in the world. Alphabet, on the other hand, doesn't resemble any of those opportunities. The stock has more than doubled just in the last 6 months, and it's still hovering at all-time highs. And from a valuation lens, Alphabet currently trades around 25 times earnings, higher than the S&P 500, which sits closer to 20 times. And it's far above what Buffett typically likes to pay. When he bought Coca-Cola, it was around 14 times earnings, and Goldman Sachs was around 12 times. Even when compared to its own history, it's not exactly sitting at a discount either. At 25 times, the PE ratio sits around the upper end of its typical range, so Alphabet isn't cheap. At best, you could call it fairly valued, which is why many people see this move as Buffett bending his old value investing rules.